Demand planning today operates at massive scale, millions of SKUs, locations, and demand signals. But forecasts are still error-prone, collaboration is manual, and decisions lag reality. Enterprises centralize their data on platforms like Databricks, yet struggle to translate it into a secure, governed, business-ready planning experience. Expensive planning tools and disconnected spreadsheets make aligning sales, supply chain, and finance difficult. IBP by CT Plan Apps unifies demand planning on one AI platform using Databricks and Sigma. It combines Databricks' Unity Catalog for governance and Elastic Compute for forecasting with Sigma's input tables, write-back, versioning, and pivots, all operating on live lakehouse data. Let me show you how it works. We start with master data management. Planners can filter, activate, or deactivate SKUs and locations seamlessly. All master data is managed through Databricks Unity Catalog, ensuring consistent definitions, access control, and full lineage across planning processes. From there, users move into the S and OP workspace. Multiple versions of demand plans can be created and shared across teams. Versioning, collaboration, and controlled write-back are handled through Sigma's native planning and approval capabilities, ensuring transparency and auditability. On the demand planning screen, planners can create forecast versions, apply filters, and work directly with input-enabled pivot tables. This provides spreadsheet-like flexibility, while all data remains live, governed, and centrally managed in Databricks. The Insights layer combines AI-driven forecasts with business inputs. Planners can leverage demand sensing, incorporating near-term signals such as recent sales or logistics updates, processed at scale within the Databricks lakehouse. Users can adjust numbers, add comments, and instantly see the impact across the plan. Forecast calculations run on Databricks Elastic Compute, while Sigma enables real-time recalculation and write-back. Users can drill into historical trends, seasonality, and SKU location-level forecasts. Advanced analytics are executed on Databricks, while results are visualized through Sigma's interactive charts and tables, making insights accessible to business users. With a single save, forecast updates are written back and flow automatically into dashboards and downstream planning processes. This real-time loop between Sigma's planning layer and Databricks Lakehouse ensures every team operates on the same version of truth.
In just minutes, IBP by CT Plan Apps transforms demand planning from a manual exercise into a connected, intelligent process, boosting forecast accuracy, enabling faster decisions, and driving alignment across your enterprise. Let's explore how this can be tailored to your planning needs.